Yeah, I'm with Joel today. We're at Clarke Quay. So anyway, I just want to give a shout out to our company. Me and Joel just started, and another guy, Francis. You guys get to meet him. We started our own wedding company. It's called Sunset Affair. Go follow it and come support us. And if you need our wedding services, yeah, go check us out. Anyway, we're at Clarke Quay right now because we're gonna try out the door transition, and Joel's gonna help me film the behind the scenes and everything of me trying out. And yeah, and we'll see the result, and I'll teach you guys how it's done. Alright.
So Jun, what are you trying to film today?
Alright, so we are at this rainbow door area. I forgot what's the. Oh my god, I forgot the name of this place. I'm a freaking Singaporean, I forgot. Anyway, we're just gonna use all these colorful doors, and we're gonna try out some door transition. So today we're using the A73 body and with a 16-35 lens, because I want a wide shot so that we can showcase out as much as possible of the, I would say, the hyperlapse of when you're like moving towards the door, and we can capture some landscapes around the door. So yeah, that's why we'll use a wide angle lens today. It's an f4 because I'm poor. I can't get f2.8, so we'll use an f4 one today, and yeah, let's get some shooting. So we need a very steady, stable straight line shot of me going from this distance to the door. Honestly, if I could, later we'll just walk around this building. Then if we can get a more longer path way for us to reach to the door, that will make the effect much more cooler. So the general idea of it is that so in my camera there's like a 3x3 grid, so you're supposed to keep the door center to the middle of the 3x3 grid. That's the basic thing to do. Anyways, I forgot to mention that when you're like going like straight right to the door, try to like go all the way to the point where it like the whole camera covers up with the door, so that it will make the effect much more effective. Okay, we'll do one more take just for safety shot, then we'll go head out to another door.
My key point, as in like for me, right, usually I'm doing editing. So videography side is something that like it's also one of my first few times. Not say first few times, but more like I'm still getting into it.
Yeah.
So it'll be good to practice if I can. Try to film yourself.
Yeah. Here, so you know what? The next door, let's let Joel try.
Okay. Sure.
Okay. Let's go, buddy.
Ready?
Ready? Slow and steady. Let's go. Slow and steady. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're gonna take this final shot. Joel helped me with the intro shot at the eye. So we're gonna do this vortex shot because I think the bridge, the leading line is great, so we're gonna try it. Let's do this. We're filming. Done. No, right?
I don't know when you want to spin until. I thought you want to spin all the way down.
Alright, so we're done with today's shoot. Thanks Joel for helping me out.
No problem.
Well, we also managed to take some portraits of him along the staircase, right?
Mini trade.
Mini trade.
I help you, you help me.
yeah, of course. Anyways, yeah, so I'll head home, we'll get the edit.
Edit the video.
I'll edit the video, then yeah, we'll see the results.
Alright.
I'll test out After
hope it's
Effects.
good, man.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for helping me today. The pepper lunch was really good. Yeah. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi people, alright. So we're back at my house and we're just gonna edit, alright? So I haven't edited yet, so I'm just gonna go through with you guys from the start to the finish on how to do this door transition with Premiere Pro. The start, the intro, the effect is done in After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do the same transition but in After Effects with more effectiveness, then feel free to comment down in the section below and give me 10 likes in this video, and I'll make the After Effects tutorial. Or I'll still make it. I mean, even if I don't get the 10 likes, I'll still make the After Effects tutorial. Anyways, let's get down to business. So I already placed the clip that I want to show you guys how to do this transition on. Alright, so this is the clip. It's a straightforward. See, it's with a gimbal, so it's like very smooth. Like you can see, smooth. Right. So I won't need much of the back end, so I'll just get rid of it. Alright, trim it. Okay, and I see it moves a bit, so let me just trim the front. Okay, so if I really want it to really stabilize, I'll just use a warp stabilizer. Just place a warp stabilizer on it. More stable, correct? More stable shot, more professional video. Alright, and the shot will be so smooth, just like that. Alright, the next thing you do is you go all the way to the frame where you want the door to be open. For me, it's here. Then you just take a screenshot, or what I say is an export frame shot, or freeze frame shot is what I like to call it. So you go to the top right at the bottom of your program screen. Okay, there should be a freeze frame, a camera logo right here. If it's not shown in your Premiere Pro, it's because most likely you have to press this button and little right here. So yeah, for me I already have it. So you just have to press export frame. Then you must set it in PNG. Then remember to tick this, import into project, then yeah, okay. They should import right here on your bottom left corner of your Premiere Pro. Then you just drag it onto the where you use the screenshot. Then after that, you get rid of the things at the back, honestly. Right. Okay, so it will just stop here. Okay, what you do next is technically you just create a mask. Alright, you create a mask. So you go to opacity right here at the top left, grab the pen tool right here, click all the keyframes. If you want to click all or else, you'll hate yourself if you don't click it. Alright, and after that, just create a mask around the door, guys. Just like that, alright? And just invert, alright? Then you create two more layers up here. So you create a copy layer, 1 and 2, alright? Let me just label it so that I can show you guys. Okay, cool. Then after that, you select the middle left door, alright? Click the mask again, and you just mask out only, drag back to only the left door. When you do the right door, the same thing, and you just mask out the right door. Just like so, the right door, left door, then both door. Cool. Alright. So for tutorial sake, I won't get too precise, but yeah. So that's the gist of it. You're supposed to mask out just like that. Alright. So the top door is both doors, so the mask should be on both doors. Then the left is just the mask should be on the left door, and the bottom is the right door, so the mask should only be on the right door. Alright? Got it so far? Alright, following? Okay, cool. Okay, next, you just nest out the left door. Okay, cool. After you nest both this left door and right door out, you go to Effects. For me, it's at the middle right here, because that's where I place it, so that when I edit, I can just see it. Transform, you click Transform, you find Transform, and you go press down. So you put Transform on both left door and right door layer. And let's start with the left door, guys. Okay, sure. So left door, we start at the start of the keyframe. Press Position, alright. Position, then you go a bit, maybe right around here, maybe 4 frames ahead. Then you just shift the left door to the left, just like that. Right? Then you just ease in, ease out. Ease in, ease out. Just like that. So you move like that. Cool, right? Okay. Then the right door, you do the same thing, but just the opposite. You shift it to the right. So smart. All right. Then you create a. You must remember to drag the keyframe to the start. So you must create a position keyframe right at the start of the right door. Then 4 frames ahead, right there. Then you shift it to the right. Just like that. Nice. Okay. Then create a ease out and ease in. Nice. So it should technically look like this. So you have created opening door effects right now. Okay, cool. Nice. Okay, following. Okay, cool. After you've done the opening door transition effects, all right. You go select basic 3D. Right here, you'll find basic 3D. Drag it onto left door and the right door. All right. So this basic 3D is supposed to create the opening door, the swivel. All right. Like playing peekaboo with you guys. Okay. So like that. All right. So okay, you drag the transform tool below the basic 3D, and you off the effects of the transform, so that you can adjust. Because if you don't off it, the effect will still be going on, and you can't do the basic 3D effect properly. Okay, you can't see it. Basically, is what I mean. So you start same thing. You start your keyframe at the start, press swivel and keyframe the swivel and distance to image. And go all the way around here, right? Where the door will end. So swivel is minus, I think should be around minus 75, if I'm not wrong. Yes, minus 75. Then the distance to image is, you can put around 8 to 10. So I'll just put 8. And yeah, then you press transform effect again. Bam! Okay, so it should open up like that. You saw? You guys see? Just the left side. You open up, swivel like that. Yep, cool, right? Okay. Then you just do the same thing to the right side. Put the transform at the bottom. Off the effects. Open up. Then make sure to start the keyframe of swivel and distance to image at the start. Then after that, then you create so just now you put minus 75 because you go to the left side. Now you put plus as positive 75 for the right side. So 75 here. Then the distance to image is still the same, it's around 8. Bam. And yep. So it will create. Okay, so see it's still in the middle, right? That's because you never on transform effect right here. So press on transform effect and bam! You see? You just created an opening door transition. It wasn't that easy, you guys. Huh? You guys learned something, just like that. Okay, cool. After you created effects, so you want to, transit through the door. But that's where you have to select the order door. You command N, then you just call this hold door. Hold the door. Hold the door. Hold the door. Hold the door. Hold it. Okay. Okay. Press OK. You just select all, create a nest. Then after that, you select the transform tool again. Transform, and you just drop it onto the nest sequence of all the doors. Then after that, you go back to the start of the keyframe. All right. Position and scale. You just keyframe position and scale. And you just go right here when the door open, scale it up, remember to center the door, and just scale it all the way until the edges disappear. So it will look like this. Bam! Okay, to make it smoother, ease out, and ease in. I'm sorry to say, I just now didn't ease out and ease in the swivel, so do that at your own time. Remember to just ease out and ease in. I'll just do that now. Just look like this now, and just play it. Bam. Okay, cool. So let me just add in something at the bottom, then you'll see. So look like this. Whoa, isn't that cool? Alright. So after you're done creating the effects, to really sell it, you just put music, sound effects, and just ambient sound, and it'll just sound just like this. Okay, that got me a bit dizzy, but yeah, so that's the gist of this whole door transition. Thank you guys for sticking with me all the way to the end of this tutorial. I hope it was very useful for you guys, and I hope you guys can use it in your next video. And I sure had fun learning it. And I'm so happy to be starting this new series, which I'm gonna call it Couldn't Try's Transitions, where I'm just gonna go out of my way. If I see a transition which I absolutely love, I'll just give it a shot, and yeah, I'll create tutorials like this just to share that and teach you guys what I've learned, alright? So yeah, if you like this video and the transition, please share with your friends and give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, of course, subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, my name is Turan. Bye bye.